Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get your W-2 from Uber Eats. First, it's important to know that Uber Eats drivers don't receive a W-2 because you're considered an independent contractor, not an employee. Instead, you'll get a 1099 form if you made $600 or more during the year. Here's how to get it. Open the Uber Eats app or go to the Uber website and log into your account. Go to the Tax Information tab under your account settings. Download your 1099 form. If you prefer a paper copy, go to Tax Settings and uncheck Go Green to have it mailed to you. Remember, your 1099 form will be available online by January 31 each year, so you can file your taxes on time. And that's it. That's how to get your W-2 from Uber Eats. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.